welcome back to Recipe Kit channel. Today I'm going to share an easy recipe how to cook lady's finger with dried shrimp chili. And the ingredients are lady's finger, 3 cloves garlic, shallot, dried shrimp that has been soaked with water to make it soften, red chili, salt, palm sugar, and cooking oil. I'm going to blend the red chili, shallot, garlic, and dried shrimps together. And now I will boil the water. And I will blanch the lady's finger for about 2 minutes. And drain the water. As for the next step, I'm going to heat up the cooking oil. And fry the blended mixture until it's fragrant. Add the palm sugar and the salt together. Fry until the palm sugar dissolves. And finally, add the lady's finger inside and stir fry about 2 minutes. And now the lady's finger with dried shrimp chili is ready to serve. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you again for the next episode only at Recipe Kit channel. Bye bye.